I don't even know where to start with all these. The Pátio do Cordeiro. I think Cordeiro is like it's a Portuguese word. I think it's like something to do like a specialist, and somebody who does a certain thing. So a lot of these streets in here this is Patane area. We're on Palmeira. This is where the waterfront used to be, and then some of these streets have like kind of unique names like that, like that one. So that would have been like a specialty street where you would go to find the services of that certain place. So I think that Cordeiro is a reference to that. Right here is the house of the night watchman. I'll tell you all about that as well. There's more cool stuff everywhere. But our target street is going to be right off of this Palmeira, and I'll explain all of it in a moment. And then we're going to go down and see what's in that little alley right in there as well. So stay tuned for all of that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Cordeiro. Lamb, okay, that's lamb, Cordeiro, okay. Lamb. I wonder what other meanings it has. But anyways, here it says the direct translation is lamb, so that's lamb. So I guess this is the street where you would get lamb. Most likely. Patio of lamb. That's kind of cool. Okay, so before we go in, we're on Palmeira Street. Palmeira used to be where the ocean used to come up to. And then there was, then they did a reclaim project, reclaim land, so now there's some stuff over there a little bit. But this would have been like a traditional Chinese village. And it's called Patane. So what we're going to do is target our target street, which is this one right in here. So we're going to walk down that way, which is translated into lamb. So that's actually where they might have made the bio lamb, I guess. This right here is the night watchman. So every area, including Patane, all the neighborhoods, had night watchmen, and they would just be available to ring the bell at nighttime, like this gong, and they also had whistles and had flashlights or kerosene lamps depending on the era. That right there is Camões Park. So we're basically going to be walking down our target street, going probably a dead end, and a Camões Park, so it'll probably end right there. But we have a beautiful temple right there, and then we have the Patane Night Watchman house. So they would have been based out of here, and we're gonna go down our street in 1 second. I'm just gonna show you real quick. I'm just gonna there he is right there. So this would have been this house right here. So this one is here, and this would have been what they would look like right there. And this would have been Patane. So you can see, let me see, this would have been the street right here that we're at. So I think Palmeira, this would be all Rua de Palmeira, and then that would be the temple. I think this is us right here. Thank you. Yeah, I wonder what history that guy has. So we're gonna go down our target street. So yeah, this is actually part of history as well. And Cordeiro is lamb. So we are gonna go down there and just kind of see what we can see down here. And it's a little patio. So Pátio do Cordeiro. And I don't expect that there's gonna be much here, but then again, looks like I'm already wrong. There's something really cool already. This looks like it's probably used to be a shrine. But yeah, this could have been here for a very long time. And then the night watchman is right there. All kinds of stuff happening here. Looks like they're playing dice games. But we're gonna go all the way down to I just looked through the window, so okay, so we gotta, so that's all the Camões Park. Then this looks like just an apartment building, so we got all kinds of apartments in here everywhere. We have a little courtyard right here as well. And I guess you'd go in here. Yeah, so I guess you get lamb here. Pátio do Cordeiro. I guess it's and it goes right up into this area too. So there's all these other spots, and then it ends. I guess it ends right here. It's kind of a cool little house though. They're playing some kind of dice game, so it's really, really cool. So this is Cordeiro. All kinds of cool stuff in Macau. All kinds of cool stuff. And some rain as well. So okay. So yeah, this Palmera used to be at the ocean. So so that was actually our target street. And I'm just kind of looking to see if there's other little interesting alleys as well. I'm just gonna try to capture them a little bit. So that was ours right there. Then you have more stuff. Ribera. And that would go down to the main street down that way. And it's going to kind of highlight some of the other small streets. There's a lot to explore in here, of course. It's starting to rain quite a bit now. Yeah, Palmera has a lot of interesting stuff. Got a temple here. Pátio da Saída. Just kind of walk up here real quick. Of course, it's not our target patio. I have to look up and see what Saída is. Ah, looks worthy of exploring too. Dang, okay. So, okay. Anyways, that's not our target street. Our target was the other patio. And we're in Pátio. And our target was right over there. And we're gonna end our video right here. So we're on Palmera in the Pátio area, and our target street was just that little one right there, one that was named after lamb. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.